extra pack tractor, much better packing density, and just looking as you stand on top of the silage pile, your feet just sink in less than an inch. And comparing this to a photo I had taken last week at a dairy, which was done with this type of slope but didn't quite have the density. In that case, my shoes had completely disappeared in that photograph. And even though you may have the shape of the drivable pile, it's very important to make sure that the flow of the material to the pile is balanced out at the appropriate rate to the weight that you've got available for packing. So using that 800-pound rule, that if you divide your packing weight by 800 pounds, that tells you the maximum number of tons that you should be bringing into the silage pile in a given hour. So if you had one 64,000 pound 8-wheel tractor, you should be bringing in 64,000 divided by 800 is going to be about 80 pounds. 80 pounds an hour is about 80 tons an hour is the maximum that you want to be bringing in, or about one truck every one 10-wheeler every 10 minutes. So just bringing in faster than that, you got to look at getting an extra packed vehicle on there, or slow down the trucks. This right here is an example of the results that you're getting with balancing that out. Very good density overall, good fermentation, protection with the silo stuff. This dairy started pitching about two years ago, and the increase they saw in their production per cow from pitching made them understand what their losses were before from feeding that slime layer that was at the top. So 2 years ago they decided to implement a strategy to eliminate the problem with what they otherwise were pitching, and this is the result of some of these management changes they made in the last couple of years.
And they aren't getting any wind underneath the plastic.
Yeah, they've got. We would like to see gravel bags here on the surface, but they have done a nice job of folding this thing back, having a little extra weight with these tires on there. But the next step here will be looking at getting gravel bags on the face surface and then also around the perimeter to do a more effective seal.